To add an object into a photo on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app. And then open the photo that contains the object you like to add into another photo. Long tap the object. Tap Save as Sticker. To make it more natural, select Original and then tap Done button. Now open the photo where you like to add the object to. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom of the screen to go to the edit photo screen. Tap decoration icon. Tap sticker. Next, tap custom stickers icon. Select the object you added to the sticker list before. If needed, you can resize the object by pinching out or pinching in your fingers on the selected area until it fits with your need. You can also change the object position by dragging and dropping the selected area. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Save to save the change. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.